CTA Digital's rolling display mount with cable management for TVs and monitors is the ideal mobile cart for use in schools, offices, medical spaces, and more. This compact steel stand moves on casters that securely lock in place. To adjust height, simply loosen knobs and tighten at the desired height, anywhere between 55.3 to 65.3 inches high. To mount the monitor, simply connect brackets to the back of the device and hang on the horizontal bar on the floor stand. Visa sizes include standard 100 by 100 or 600 by 400 millimeter patterns. Attach the included tray to the central crossbar for added storage. Keep cables out of the way by neatly routing them down the side support pillars. A useful slot cover screws in place for a neat finish. To use as a permanent stand, simply replace the casters with the included foot cup screws. This sturdy stand is compatible with televisions and monitors from 32 to 65 inches up to 110 pounds, including ELO touchscreens. For more information, visit us at ctadigital.com.